The Nokia X500 to 5G is one of the latest additions to Nokia's growing portfolio of affordable 5G devices. With its sleek design, competitive specs, and the brand's signature durability, it aims to cater to users looking for a reliable mid-range 5G smartphone without breaking the bank. Let's dive into its key features, performance, and overall user experience. Design and build quality. At first glance, the Nokia X500 offers a premium look with a glass front and a sturdy polycarbonate back. The matte finish gives it a smooth touch, while ensuring fingerprint resistance, which adds to its overall aesthetic appeal. It fits comfortably in the hand, thanks to its rounded edges and ergonomic design. True to Nokia's legacy, the build quality feels robust, making it a great choice for users who want a durable phone for everyday use. Display. The X500 comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, featuring a 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution. The screen offers vibrant colors, decent contrast, and a max brightness level that performs well in outdoor conditions. Watching videos, browsing the web, and gaming on this display is enjoyable, thanks to its size and clarity. However, the refresh rate is 90 Hz, which, while not cutting edge, still provides a smoother experience than the traditional 60 Hz displays in this price range. Performance and 5G connectivity. Under the hood, the Nokia X500 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695G chipset, combined with 6 GB of RAM. This setup ensures smooth multitasking, app management, and an overall fluid user experience. While it may not handle the most graphic-intensive games on the highest settings, it can easily run mainstream apps and moderate gaming without any major lags. The integration of 5G adds a significant boost to the device's connectivity performance. Download speeds are fast, ensuring quick file transfers, buffer-free video streaming, and lag-free video calls in areas with 5G coverage. It's an ideal choice for users looking to future-proof their device with 5G support. Camera performance. The camera setup on the X500 includes a triple lens system, headlined by a 4.8MP main sensor. This is complemented by a 5MP ultra-wide lens and a 2MP depth sensor in good lighting conditions. The main camera delivers sharp, detailed photos with accurate colors. The ultra-wide lens offers a broader perspective, great for landscape shots, though it slightly struggles in low light. For selfies, the front-facing 16MP camera produces crisp images, especially in well-lit environments. The phone also features various camera modes such as night mode, HDR, and AI enhancements to improve photo quality in different scenarios. Battery life. Battery performance is a strong suit of the Nokia X500, boasting a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts through a full day of moderate to heavy use. This includes activities like browsing, streaming, gaming, and social media usage. The device supports 18W fast charging, which, while not the fastest on the market, is still decent enough to get the phone juiced up within a reasonable amount of time. Software and user experience. The phone runs on a clean version of Android, close to stock Android 13, with minimal bloatware. Nokia has committed to its standard practice of providing 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches. This means users can expect the device to stay up to date and secure for a longer period compared to other devices in this range. Conclusion. In summary, the Nokia X500 to 5G is a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. It excels in delivering a solid 5G experience, has a durable build, and offers reliable performance for day-to-day tasks. While it may not be the most powerful phone for heavy gaming or offer the most advanced camera system, it shines in areas of battery life, display quality, and overall user satisfaction. For those seeking an affordable 5G phone with Nokia's trusted build quality, the X50 is a great choice.